What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Eric. This channel is about hunting, fishing, shooting, and the life outdoors. But today I want to introduce my new hunting buddy, Ace.
This is Ace, an 8-month-old German Shorthaired Pointer. This series follows his journey from pup to hunting dog, training days, real-world reps, and everything it takes to get him ready for his first true hunt. No shortcuts, no pretending. Just the work, the process, and time in the field.
Before we go any further, I want to show you where he's at right now. What is it? What is it? Bird? Bird? I just want to show just a few things that we've been working on, like the obedience training. So here, Ace, see how good he does. Sit, sit, good boy. Heel, heel, heel. Here, 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 Ace. No, here. Heel. Sit, sit. Good boy. He's real excited about the bumper, and we've been working on steadying. So he's been doing real good, but we just gotta keep working at it because sometimes he doesn't want to listen. Good boy. You ready? Up, 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 up. Ready? Bird. Here, here, here. 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 No. Here. Here. Heel. Sit. 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 Ace. Here. Get it. Here. Here. Heel. Heel, heel. Here, Ace. There you have it. It. Ace. Here. Heel. Good boy. Let me have it. Out. Out. Good. Out. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Ta-da. Good boy, Ace. You ready? Up, 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 up. Up, up. Ready? Bird? 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 Go get it. Here. Good boy, Ace. Heel, heel. Out. Sit, sit, sit. So there's just a few things that he's learned so far. You know, he's working on it. He's got a lot to learn, as you can see, but he's got the drive. If you want to follow the process to his first hunt, subscribe and come along.